Mmm. Hi, Mama. I am living a low carb life, low carb keto lifestyle. So, I wanted to show you how I made my lunch. Today, I'm going to have egg and smoked salmon. So, I wanted to share with you. This is how I made my sushi wrap. There is no rice. I have smoked salmon, egg, lettuce, and avocado, and what else, cream cheese. So this is how it looks like, and I can make another batch of it, but this is how I'm losing weight. I'm eating low carb keto, with focusing on especially on high quality protein and fat. So if you are new to my channel, this is Marguarita from my lifestyle journals. I am losing weight with low carb ketogenic lifestyle. I lost 20 pounds in 4 months after having my kid. So I am continuing eating low carb keto. So I'm having my lunch now, and I made a free 7 days low carb meal plan. Check out in the description box, so then you can start your low carb lifestyle. It's very simple, easy, and quick meal plan. Bye for now. This is how I'm eating and losing weight in low carb lifestyle. So before I eat it in my lunch, I wanted to show you how I made it. This is my seaweed wrap, and then I put it some cream cheese. On the top of that, I have lettuce and smoked salmon. I bought the packet like this from Costco, and then one hard-boiled egg and avocado. So I'm going to wrap it, and then we'll cut it, and I will show you how it looks like.
Una zona cerca del